so excited. I was so excited. And now we're bottling it again. Now we're choking again. Wolves was cool. I can't blame them. That was beautiful. That was a great goal, actually. I can't blame that first goal, that second goal. David Raya, what were you thinking? What the hell were you thinking? At that point, you should have better command of your box. You should be yelling, don't, I have this. Don't go for the ball. Don't head it. Don't challenge for the ball. I have the ball. That's what you should be doing. You should be commanding your box, but you didn't. They scored the one goal. Who scored the one goal? And then now we playing for time wasting again.